Hey creators, welcome back. If you want US traffic from YouTube SEO, you have to understand something important. YouTube doesn't rank videos globally the same way. It ranks based on viewer location relevance. So if your content isn't optimized for US viewers, the algorithm won't push it there. Let's fix that step by step. Step 1. Use US search intent keywords. Don't just use general keywords. Add US modifiers like in the US for Americans, USA guide, dollar pricing instead of other currencies. For example, instead of best freelancing sites, say best freelancing sites in the US. This signals geographic relevance. Step 2. Speak to US problems. SEO is not only text, it's content context. Mention US tools, US laws or systems, US. Job market, US pricing, taxes, or platforms. When viewers in the US watch longer, YouTube learns your video fits that region. Step 3. Upload timing matters. Post when US viewers are active, 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Early engagement from US viewers boosts ranking in that region. Step 4. Increase US click-through rate. Your thumbnail and title must feel familiar to US audiences. Clean design. Clear benefit. No clutter. Strong promise, higher CTR from US. Users tells YouTube to push your video there. Step 5. Boost watch time from US viewers. The algorithm tracks who watches longer. Improve retention by getting to the point fast. Removing long intros, adding examples relevant to the US. Long watch time from US. Viewers equals higher US visibility. Step 6. Use description and tags smartly. Naturally include phrases like, for US creators, USA audience, American market, but keep it readable. Don't spam. YouTube SEO isn't just about ranking, it's about ranking in the right country. Optimize for US intent, US viewers, and US engagement, and the algorithm will follow. See you in the next one.